guys, welcome back to part 3 of the F-35 by Jayson Merrill in his book, Stealth Aircraft Origami. And this is the final part, and it won't really take very long because all that's left is the jet fold and the locking and the shaping. So first, if you haven't already, inside reverse fold these tips. And then you can swivel fold back that edge. Like that. And turn the model over. And if you haven't already, mount and fold these flaps in. Like that. And next, you are going to jet fold the model. So it is best if you just pre-crease it first. And then you can jet fold the model, as this is a very thick jet fold. Try and crease it very hard, especially at the front. Alright, now you're going to lock the model by placing this flap inside the other. Like that. And then you can fold them over into thirds along the existing creases. Fold it over 2 times. And you can crease everything really well. And then you're going to pop this paper out. And it's not really going to lie flat at the front. So once you've done that, you can just inside reverse fold it in to form the nose. And you can inside reverse fold this big flap as far as it will go. Or about like that. And then you can fold the wings and just fold everything up. You may need to unfold that layer before you fold everything up. Make sure nothing is stuck underneath it, like that tail fin was. Alright, now you can inside reverse fold it. About like that. And then you're going to fold these edges in like that, and like that. And then you're going to inside reverse fold that edge in. It is a judgment fold. You can experiment on the length of it, and that will affect the length of the engine. So now you're going to round that afterburner. Again, make sure it's not tucked behind anything. And then you can fold everything down. And then you're going to open out the air intakes. Like that. And you're just going to continue shaping on the model. Or just continue shaping the model until you're satisfied. Alright, so once you are done shaping the model, there it is, the F-35. And I hope you enjoyed folding this, and I will see you next time. Bye!